This is Will. Got the 69 out today. Got a little project planned for the holiday weekend. I'm glad I finally got to get to it. There was a lot of little things that I didn't like about this car, and one of them was this was in the back, which is horrible, ugly. The previous owner obviously didn't care about this car, so I will be chunking this piece. It goes back here. That's one of the things you can see when you look in the interior. It looks pretty bad, so I will be upgrading this piece. I got me a big piece of MDF board and a nice piece of vinyl roll that I'll be wrapping the board with. I'll be installing some, probably two 6x9s, trying to figure out what brand and everything right now, but definitely won't be four ugly cutouts like this. I was debating if I would even put any 6x9s, if it was just one solid piece with that shape, but I figure it wouldn't hurt to at least put two on there, just in case, you know, someday I want to listen to the radio. But I'm sure a lot of you know you don't get a charger to listen to the radio. So all right, out here getting everything set up so I can start cutting the board. And you know, it gets real when you bring out all your fancy tools out. Check this out. Top of the line Ryobi saw. Got my top of the line Porter cable. Got my nice DeWalt drill out. Check this board out. You can tell, see how bent it is. It's pretty bad. Pretty embarrassed to have this thing in my car. I was just needed something to cover that area back there. I'm glad to finally pull this thing out. You can see how bad weathered it is.
So I'm just gonna pretty much trace out what I need to cut out.
Bye-bye to this fancy piece of artwork. I'm so glad not to see that anymore. Piece of junk. Here we go. Okay, so finished cutting the piece out. Found out my lines are not very straight. Actually pretty bad. Take a look. So I'm gonna sand some of that out, try to smooth it out best I can. But you know, it's better than this piece of junk that was in there before. So now I just got to draw out my 6x9 cutout outlines so I can get that cut out. Got me a $10 stapler from Home Depot. It's just a heavy duty one that will staple through wood. Got a spray adhesive professional from Joann's. Also got this roll of vinyl from Joann's. So you can choose whichever one you like. I like this one. It looked a lot better quality. there you have it. Let me know what you think on the comments below, and hit the subscribe button.